You're gi- you're giving away your popping candy. Okay. It's so cute. Ayan, kuya, bumili siya ng popping candy tapos pinamimigay niya din. Okay, let's go out na. Baka wala kang matira niyan kahit isa. And where is mine?
You don't get. Oh.
Why? It's strawberry. Ayan, guys. Tingnan mo. Ano? Not all, baby. It's okay na. Okay. It's fine. Babe, give the little kid. Ayan, nabigyan ko sa sobrang baka ayaw daw ng popping candy. Masyadong bata. Gave ate the guard.